Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This video is specially made for Oppo Reno 15 Pro users. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a sound not working problem in a very easy and a clear way so you can enjoy audio without any issue. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with all our tech tips. Alright, let's get straight into the video.